Monologue, soliloquy aside, what is the difference? Monologue is when a character speaks at length, usually to other characters or sometimes even to the audience. It's like a mini speech within the story, often used to express thoughts, emotions, or plans. For example, in The Great Gatsby, when Nick attends one of Gatsby's extravagant parties and listens as Gatsby tells him about his past, he is not just talking to himself, he is deliberately trying to impress Nick and shape how others see him. Monologues are dramatic, powerful, and meant to be heard by others. They can reveal a character's personality, motivations, or conflicts, making them a key tool for storytelling. Think of villains explaining their evil plans or heroes giving inspiring speeches. It's all about communicating with the people around them. Now, soliloquy happens when a character speaks their inner thoughts aloud, but here is the catch. They are alone on stage and no one else is supposed to hear them. It's like a private moment where the character spills their soul to themselves and by extension to the audience. Shakespeare loved soliloquies. Remember Hamlet's to be or not to be speech? He is not talking to anyone else. He is wrestling with his own thoughts about life, death, existence. The audience gets a front row seat to his internal struggle, but the other characters are completely unaware. Soliloquies are intimate, revealing. They let us peek inside a character's mind, showing us what they are really thinking or feeling without filtering it through dialogue with others. Finally, aside. It is when a character briefly turns to the audience or steps out of the scene to share a quick thought or comment. It's like a secret whispered directly to you, breaking the fourth wall for just a moment. In the famous balcony scene of Romeo and Juliet, Romeo is watching Juliet from afar while she is speaking about him. Juliet says, "Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?" Romeo, hidden from her view but aware of her words, turns to the audience and says, "Shall I hear more or shall I speak at this?" It's a light-hearted and relatable moment that connects the audience directly with his thoughts. Aside creates a sense of connection between the character and the audience, making us feel like we're part of the story. So a monologue is directed at other characters or the audience, meant to be overheard by everyone. Soliloquy is a private moment where the character shares their inner thoughts, audible only to the audience. Aside is a quick direct comment to the audience, often breaking the fourth wall.